All right, so today we are going to discuss that how we have to attempt IELTS agree disagree essay, right? Read the title, read the topic of your IELTS task 2.
The growth of online shopping in one day led to all shops in town and city closed.
The growth of
Online shopping
online shopping will
will
one day आगे
lead to all shops in town and
okay.
cities closed.
So they are saying that online shopping will basically lead us to a situation when all the shopping malls physically will be closed in the towns as well as in the urban areas. To what extent? What is the question?
Do you agree or disagree?
Do you agree or disagree? Now, there is a basic difference. Sometimes when you read the topic of your task 2, there are two statements, two different or opposite statements. For example, some people say that the education standard in our country is improving. Others say that there are still some improvements that need to be done. What does it mean? That there are two sides of the same statement, and then if they say discuss both sides and give your opinion, it means that while writing the two body paragraphs, in one body paragraph you will write the one side, and in the second body paragraph you will write the second side of the statement. But here there is a single side only, and about that single side they are asking either you agree or disagree, which means you have to pick a clear position, right? If you say agree, then what will be the structure of your task 2? Okay, like always, the task 2, the structure, the format is first paragraph introduction, last paragraph conclusion. Done? In between introduction and conclusion, there can be 2 paragraphs or there can be 3 paragraphs as well. But first of all, focus on 2, then we will split it in 3 later on if needed. Okay, so let's talk about body 1 and body 2. In the body paragraph number 1, what will you discuss? If you agree, let's assume that I agree with the given statement. Now, what will I write in the first body paragraph and in the second body paragraph? You have to defend and support your argument in both body paragraphs. Either you are on the agree side or disagree side. But what I'm asking is that what will be the main central or key idea that you will discuss in body paragraph number 1? Think about it. If you agree, you will agree on some point, obviously. So let's say you agree on cost saving, right? For example, this is a factor by which with which we say that I think that your statement hai, it will come true in the future. Cost saving. Now you will, this is your central idea for the body paragraph number 1. And now what is the format of your body paragraph number 1? You can note it down. Open your registers. Note it down, please. Note down the points that I'm going to tell you right now. You too. Everyone, I said everyone. Everyone. Right now I'm talking about the body paragraph. The first sentence of your body paragraph is basically your topic sentence, right? Just like the introduction of the whole essay, your first paragraph is the introduction of the whole essay. Similarly, the first sentence of your paragraph is the introduction of that paragraph, which we call as topic sentence. I'm talking about body paragraphs. No. First of all, let's make it clear that how we will write the body paragraph. Okay, body paragraph number 1. What is the format? First sentence is the topic sentence. Then 2 or 3 sentences, they will be the supporting sentences. Support which thing? Your argument that you have taken in the first topic sentence. Obviously, you will say that I agree whatever you think about it, but your central idea is the cost effectiveness, your cost saving. So you have to defend this argument, you have to write supporting sentences, and then you have to prove that thing with an example, with an observation, with any kind of statistics data. For example, you can say a latest survey from the Statistics Bureau of our country showed that this is a digit, the shopping, conventional shopping and online shopping. The online shopping trend or the revenue jumped 50% from a year before. Which means a robust growth in online shopping. Obviously, it will result in your question. Rest is your question. So I was telling you the example, how you have to prove your argument. And then finally, your concluding sentence. Concluding sentence means, hence, it is proved that cost effectiveness is the key component, and continue. Done? Means, let me repeat again. Concluding sentence means your ending sentence. Just like the conclusion of the whole essay, this one sentence is the conclusion of your paragraph. Let me repeat it again. You only discuss one central idea in each paragraph. Done? Okay, let me repeat the points that you have to keep in the mind while writing the body paragraph. Number 1, topic sentence. Number 2, supporting sentences. Number 3, an example. And finally, your concluding sentence. Similar pattern will be followed for all the body paragraphs, but your central idea will be changed. If you are going to discuss the opposite side of the statement in the body paragraph number 2, you will begin with the linking word on the other hand, comma. You can write it down. On the other hand, comma. Exactly. When you are discussing the opposite side, second side or opposite side of the statement. Now, in our question, there is no second side, no opposite side. There is only one side, which means the second body paragraph will also be written in the same context like the first body paragraph. So what will be the starting wording? What will be the first word, which is our linking word? We call it discourse marker as well. What will that be? You can write moreover, furthermore, moreover. Another reason for this, another factor like this. But I think the important one is moreover. It is in addition to this, in addition to the first factor, in addition to this, then you can continue again, right? In addition to this, when you will write this, obviously your reader will come to know that in addition to this, in addition to what? In addition to something that you have discussed in the first body paragraph, obviously, and then the same format. Clear? This is the format and the structure of your body paragraphs. Body paragraphs. Let's say I have given you the example cost effectiveness, right? Now the second point might be, this is your assignment, you have to check it yourself. We will discuss it but tomorrow. Okay, next thing, Introduction. What is the format of the introduction? First of all, write down the points. 1. Background sentence. Background sentence. Number 2. Paraphrasing of the question. Paraphrasing means writing the question in your own words. Same meaning, but the wording should not be a copy paste of the question. Third, your opinion. Fourth, what this essay will discuss. What your IELTS essay will discuss. Clear? What is the meaning of a background sentence? That sentence is a sentence that will lay the foundation of whatever you are going to discuss. For example, you are talking about online shopping. It is related to the internet consumption, internet usage. So you can write the internet usage has increased
To 5 extent nowadays.
can be, yes, from the previous decade, whatever the sentence can be. I'm just giving you an example to understand what is the background sentence. Background sentence is a sentence that is not basically your question, but it will lay the foundation, will set the ground for your topic, will be related to your topic. Done? Okay, then your paraphrasing. Paraphrasing means writing the question in your own words. That's it. Simple. Third, your opinion. Your opinion in just one sentence. Your clear opinion means in this essay, he has asked about agree or disagree. You must mention here in just one sentence, either you agree or disagree. And finally, what this essay will discuss. You should tell the reader that I'm going to discuss these points in the subsequent paragraphs. And how you will write, however, comma, this essay will discuss the reasons why I think the internet will lead in the future.
ये बात होता है इसमें हम ये आए और वी के वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं लाइक फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग ऑफ डे ये वर्ड्स हम यूज करेंगे
I will make this clear in the next lecture that I and we, these are basically subjective cases, right? And in formal writing, you cannot use them. Done? Okay. What this essay will discuss, then body paragraphs, and finally your conclusion. Your conclusion will start with the linking word in conclusion, comma. In conclusion, comma, and then you will clearly state your opinion. And you will write one sentence or two sentences as general sentences, broad sentences related to your question, and you will close your answer there. Clear? You will not include any example in the conclusion. Conclusion means a summary of whatever you have done. Clear? Now, what is the requirement of the minimum words? 250, right? And the time duration is 40 minutes for task 2. 250, but your target should be 280. Then you will be able to write between 250 and 280. Your target is to write between 200 and 300 words for PTE students within 20 minutes. And IELTS students, 250 to 280 words within 40 minutes. So it is a bit of a challenge for PTE students because they have to type, as well as they have to check their spelling mistakes, as well as they have to check their tenses, all that within 20 minutes, along with thinking about the question. So it's a challenge. More than vocabulary, your sentence structures matter. Yes. Okay. So that is it. Let me summarize this lecture. Let me summarize the lecture. First of all, we discussed the format of the body paragraphs, overall essay, then body paragraphs, how you have to write, second, how you have to write the introduction, finally, how you have to write the conclusion, and that is all the discussion for all type of essays. And specifically, we have discussed agree, disagree, how you have to do it, how you have to write both body paragraphs, and that's it. Okay. All right, now we have to practice the question that I posted today.